If you want to delete and remove users or profiles from your Nintendo Switch 2, then here's how to do it. As you can see, I have 4 profiles on my Nintendo, and I want to remove some. So, we're gonna start by going to System Settings. After that, scroll down to Users, then select the user that you want to remove, scroll all the way down, and select Delete User. And as you can see here, the saved data of this user that's stored locally will be deleted, the account will be unlinked, and anything the user has purchased will no longer be available. So, to confirm, you'll need to check the delete mark and then hit next. It will give you another warning, so take a second to make sure that you want to do it, and then click on delete this user. And poof. The user or profile is gone from your Nintendo Switch 2. Following the same way, you can delete as many users that you want. So that's how you can get rid of users or profiles on your Nintendo Switch 2. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.